Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to transfer a GarageBand project to Logic. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. If you do not already have it, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where we can get started selecting what we want to record. We have our instruments right here, we can plug in and play and so on. Let's go ahead and just open up the audio recorder right here so that we can get started importing our project. So basically guys, the first thing we want to do if we want to transfer our project from GarageBand to Logic is save it. So once you're done with your track and your recording and you want to export it, you want to go right here into the upper left corner, click on the arrow pointing downwards, and as you can see, we can now export a clean project or just the song. So let's go ahead and open up my songs. As you can see, disk is now saved it, and now on your files app in your iPhone in the GarageBand recents, you'll be able to find a project that says my song, this is the name of your project, and so on. This is basically the project that you want to export and open up in Logic. So transfer it to your folder where you want to open it up with Logic and just open it up, and this is where you'll be able to find it. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.